Greetings, Bapak dan Ibu, colleagues from BCA. I am Choi Dok Jun, President Director, PT Mercedes-Benz Distribution Indonesia. It is my pleasure to be given this opportunity to share my thoughts on the recent BCA Expository 2023. First of all, on behalf of Mercedes-Benz, allow me to convey our congratulations to BCA for another successful BCA Expository between February and March 2023. BCA has been a distinguished partner of PT Mercedes-Benz Distribution Indonesia for many years, and we have been continuously supporting one another's initiatives throughout the duration of our partnership. We are honored that we are given the opportunity to be a part of this year's BCA Expository. Our participation is a demonstration of our commitment towards the long-term partnership between Mercedes-Benz and BCA. We are very thankful that through our participation at BCA Expository, our dealers and us were able to achieve great results. Throughout the event, our dealers successfully secured more than 100 vehicle orders. These impressive sales numbers have been made possible with the attractive offers prepared by BCA and of course with the easiness of vehicle credit process as well as support from all the BCA management and colleagues. I would like to express our gratitude to BCA for providing us with a platform to showcase our Mercedes EQS and Mercedes EQE, fully electric vehicles, to all your customers during the opening ceremony and throughout the duration of BCA Expository 2023. We can say with confidence that the BCA Expository is a remarkable initiative that has contributed towards the sale of Mercedes-Benz. We look forward to building on further on our partnership and to continue working closely in the future BCA Expository and other initiatives from BCA. Congratulations once again, and here's to many more years of our successful partnership. Thank you very much. Thank you.